Hello everyone, I am Karishma Kuchandani and I am mental fitness coach. You would have heard about visualization or law of attraction or manifestation, and it works for some people and it doesn't work for some people. And you might be wondering why and what is the science behind it. And this is what no one tells you. It's not just visualization, manifestation or law of attraction. It's majorly your brain. And let's break it down simply in the first place. So right now the brain is literally trained to find threat and lack, and that is where a lot of people are failing when it comes to law of attraction, when it comes to manifestation, when it comes to visualization and all those things. Because when you observe yourself, when you observe that your wiring, that is the neuron, the brain has a wiring, it creates patterns. When you observe your neurons, the repeated negative input are hardening into your permanent physical pathways. You make it as a personality with a belief or with the stress that this is who I am, and the output itself is a garbage output where you are sabotaging yourself. So when you're talking, you will see that you talk about problems and all those things more than instead of what's next, or maybe let me do things. And that is what's because you're perceiving it in negative way. Now then what happened? Okay, all this is happening and you see your goals, like every XYZ person, they are seeing their goals and all. Every day you see your goals and you'll work on it. So when you see your goal, what happens is, instead of feeling that yeah, you'll be able to achieve what you're thinking is, oh my god, it is too much to achieve, I can't do this. All these are the voices in the memory which are replaying. So even when you sit, this is where the subconscious, lot of people fail, is you wrote the goal and desire and you feel like you want to reach there within a night, or maybe it isn't possible if you don't reach there within whatever XYZ time. So you feel vulnerable and then you don't know what to do next. Now how it was going to work for you is, your brain has an RAS filter. First of all, you need to shift that filter, which is nothing but RAS, which is filtering that self-confidence in you, which is filtering the happiness in you, which is filtering the positivity in you, which is filtering that you are able to achieve it, which is filtering that you are going to work towards it, and how that is possible. Whatever you're expressing right now, if you observe that the expressions are negative, it means the observation is negative, despite whatever the data, and the perception, the perceiving, whatever you're perceiving is negative. So to change that expression, which is going to be in positive, the observation and the perception should change. And how that will change is, again, you would have heard this word multiple times, but you wouldn't have tried it out, which is nothing but gratitude. Thank you bolna. Now what is doing? It is doing to your brain. You have this neurochemicals in your brain, which is nothing but, I would say, dopamine, which gives you enthusiasm, which gives you you want to do more, you want to do more. It gives that forward momentum. The flip side of the dopamine is you're drinking every day, or you're smoking, or you're checking your cell phone, you feel like doing it more. That is the chemical, which is a dopamine hit, which is a negative side. You get the dopamine from that also. But the dopamine is, the chemical is, when you're working on something and when you register to the brain by saying that I did it, that is a memory, that is an event which is getting registered to the brain, and there's an emotion of fulfillment, accomplishment, that is getting registered to the brain. Another chemical of the brain is, which is oxytocin, which is nothing but connection and deep love. So when you're helping others, when you are being positive, and when you are spending time with your loved one, this is the particular chemical that releases. And similarly, there is serotonin, which is nothing but self-confidence and self-worth. These are the chemicals of happiness, and these are the chemicals of brain. And then there is endorphin. When you work out and you release that endorphin, which is one of the ways you release this chemical. Now when you're doing gratitude, okay, what is happening is, currently the RAS filter is by default designed to look for threat. Okay, let me see what wrong has happened. This, oh my god, this is I am here and everyone is moving in their life so ahead, and I am not able to move in my life. I'm not able to achieve this, I'm not able to achieve that, and XYZ, those kind of replays it is doing, and it is creating all those threat RAS filter. So now when you do gratitude, you are literally creating, overwriting the pattern of your neurons. Okay, you're overwriting the patterns, and you are asking your filter mechanism to filter what is the good thing which has happened with me Okay, and it can be like, I cleared my exam when I was in 10th, and it was such a vulnerable situation. I thought I'll be failing, but I cleared it. Now what it is doing is it is registering that event as a win in your brain. Then you write about, I have such a good beautiful home to live in, so many people doesn't have, but I have it. I'm getting the support of the family. I'm getting this. I nailed it in the project. I nailed it when it comes to writing something on any particular medium, or I finished that project. That is something out of all the judgments of the world. You write it down consciously, what are the good things which has happened. So your RAS now knows filtering all the good things. Now this good things, when you write it down and you feel deeply grateful, it is creating that confidence in you that you did it once, you did it twice, you did it thrice, you overcome so many problems, and you had so many wins, and there were like failures in your life, but how did you come out of those failures? It comes to those events, it brings those events, the memory play, which has positive emotions, which has self-confidence, which has enthusiasm, which has like, a lot of things, which brings a willpower in you that, yeah, you were able to achieve all this despite the world, whatever they are saying. So obviously it is not an overnight thing, because you cannot build your muscle, right? If you want to lose your weight from 80 kgs to 50 kgs, which is your ideal weight, it is not possible that you do it in one day. And when you do it in the first day, you'll get certain pains and all, because oh my god, you have never worked out so much in your life. But then you want to become thin, you want to be into that perfect figure, so you go another day. Despite you feel like lethargic, you go another day. Despite you feel like, I don't want to do it, you go another day, and within 6 to 10 months, or maybe a year or two, you reach that particular kind of weight. The simple thing again with this mental practice, when you write gratitude notes, your subconscious, which is like all the negative things, it will tell you, don't do it, what is the problem, why you are doing it, it is all bullshit, it's not important, and your intellect will give you 10,000 different excuses and reasons to not do it. But when you're doing it and writing it, you are literally rewiring your neurons to detect for micro wins, the positive things which you have done in life. So in the first 30 days, when you're doing this thing, you will not understand why you are even doing it. But the moment you start doing it, you will figure out how your RAS is filtering the good things, and it is creating a lot of positive energy in you that you can achieve that particular goal. So this is the power of gratitude. Thank you. If you want any more videos, you know who you need to comment, and share this particular knowledge with as much people as you can, because world is one family and everyone is supposed to grow. Insecurity is a myth. It is a very old programming, and you are not supposed to get insecure or compare. In fact, help people grow, and you'll be able to grow. Thank you.